Adjust. Circles from left to right move to the centre on the screen.
How and when do we deliver adjustments?
The screen divides into 3 sections. A woman with ear defenders is in the sensory room. A man with a walking stick and glasses is on an access ramp. A woman with a hearing aid has large print behind her.
Before deaf, disabled and neurodivergent people join us, we ensure adjustments, access and funding are set up.
The judging panel hold up score paddles which have #997.
Funding may be from access to work, our own budgets or third-party funds.
A black woman sits cross-legged on top of a mountain working on her laptop.
We're open to doing things differently. Remote working, flexible hours, job shares.
A crew are filming a street scene. Outcomes appears on the camera monitor.
Our emphasis is on outcomes, not processes.
Quiz show contestants have a screen behind them listing different stages.
And we provide multiple options, or ways of doing things at every stage, whether it's recruitment, onboarding, training, appraisals, announcements, wrap parties, or networking events.
A 5A's team van appears on a city street.
Not forgetting backup plans if anything falls through.
A man with a walking cane appears next to the van.
An access link on the team is a trusted person for questions, concerns or observations.
A woman with cherubism is talking next to a woman with Downs and a black blind woman.
And trained access coordinators assess needs, oversee plans and help ensure best practice is consistently followed.
A billboard says flexibility and adjustments, and then it says inclusivity and creativity.
Flexibility and adjustments are not just a legal requirement, they are key for inclusivity and creativity.
Advocate. A clapperboard says, "Advocate take 3." A black blind woman is talking.
What is being an advocate? We start with making our expectations clear and keeping our standards high for everyone.
A quiz show style screen lists behaviour, language and attitudes as wrong answers.
We do not tolerate inappropriate behaviour, language or attitudes.
The screen splits to show a man with glasses, a black man with vertigo and a neurodiverse woman wearing ear defenders.
We challenge assumptions, ignorance and ableism.
A black blind woman newsreader is talking in a newsroom-style studio.
We are advocates and allies for our talented, experienced and passionate deaf, disabled and neurodivergent colleagues.
An office corridor with signs saying PA, scheduler, exec, commissioner, controller. The words long-term career progression appears.
This means actively supporting long-term career progression.
The screen splits in 2. One is a wheelchair user, camera person. The other has 2 crutches and is under studio lights.
Because we know the need to see more disabled people in senior roles.
TV gallery screens have different people all speaking at the same time.
We work with people not in spite of them being disabled, but because we recognise everything which that lived experience brings.
A wall-mounted TV shows a black blind woman speaking.
And we celebrate what disabled talent offers to our teams and our industry.
Anticipate. A black blind woman is talking into a microphone.
How do we anticipate working with disabled people on a regular basis?
A woman with a magnifying glass is searching in the undergrowth. The screen divides into 3 sections. There's a woman with ear defenders, a man with a walking stick and glasses, and a woman with a hearing aid. Circles appear behind each person.
Well, we're proactive about meeting, hiring, including and progressing deaf, disabled and neurodivergent talent.
A deaf woman with glasses is using British Sign Language. A woman with cherubism is talking in the viewfinder screen of a camera.
Did you know Accessibility comes in multiple forms.
A large bake-off style tent in the park appears. A man with a mouse stick is typing onto his keyboard.
Physical spaces, ways to communicate, tech and equipment.
The words working practices appear full screen and are underlined.
And working practices.
A man with glasses is talking in front of an on-air sign.
We do. So, to anticipate this, we seek training and expert advice.
A black blind woman, newsreader, is talking in the newsroom-style studio.
We also keep updated with best practices and legal frameworks, such as the Equality Act 2010.
A man with glasses is talking from a computer screen. Access to work in large text appears next to him. A black man holds a film camera.
Putting funding and support in place, like access to work, helps keep our budgets and schedules prepared for including disabled talent.
A woman with Down syndrome is talking. In the background, time is stamped across a countdown-style clock, and money is stamped across a Who Wants to Be a Millionaire-style money scoreboard.
Time or money should never exclude talent here.
Ask. A clapperboard says, "Ask take 1." A black blind woman is talking.
How do we ask the right questions to help everyone behind and in front of the camera?
An amputee stunt person gets into the 5A's car and drives it away at speed.
When we are hiring and casting, we only focus on skills, knowledge and experience, not on conditions or impairments.
TV gallery screens show different people. A man wearing glasses speaks.
We invite everyone who joins the team to discuss any adjustment needs they may have to fulfill their role.
The screen splits into 3. A woman wearing a hearing aid, a black blind woman, and a woman with cherubism. They have speech bubbles saying, "I need," "I would like," and "this works for me."
We let the deaf, disabled or neurodivergent person own that conversation and never share any information about them without consent.
A city scene with various public transport and a film shoot all have various access symbols.
Access passports can support those conversations and can travel with us to ensure consistent support at work.
The screen splits to show a man with glasses, a black man with vertigo, and a neurodiverse woman wearing ear defenders. They have speech bubbles saying, "I need more help, this doesn't work now," and "I need a further upgrade."
We know requirements, preferences and feelings can fluctuate for all of us, so we regularly check in with everyone to ensure that support is still fit for purpose.
A woman with cherubism is talking in the director's chair on a film set.
Inclusion is always on the agenda at key meetings.
The director's chair says, "Never assume," and the camera monitor says, "Always ask."
We never assume, we always ask.
Assess. A young woman with Down syndrome is talking. Behind her, the word transparency appears in the style of countdown.
How do we assess our accessibility? We start with transparency.
The computer screen shows the words, "Our access statement," along with the words, "job title," and "corporate material."
Our website, job adverts and corporate material communicate our access statements so everyone can assess how inclusive we are, without needing to ask.
A black blind woman is talking. Behind her, a game show screen appears with the keywords from the voiceover.
These access statements cover our physical environments, communication methods, working patterns and practices, and levels of disability knowledge and understanding.
This woman continues talking. Now she is standing in front of some spotlights.
Also, we value self-reflection, so your feedback helps us identify barriers and improve welfare and inclusion.
A woman with cherubism is talking while sitting in a director's chair.
Regularly evaluating and improving our access helps us all perform at our best.